If you've ever said, "I wouldn't be caught dead using a selfie stick," you may end up eating your words. Sure, these little extension devices can be annoying when someone swings their smartphone inches from your face while trying to line up a selfie stick photo, cluelessly ignoring everyone else nearby. But if you can move past the sometimes negative feelings you have about the selfie stick and learn to use one properly, there's no question a selfie stick does what it promises to do. That's why we've come up with a video guide to the best selfie sticks you can buy. Before we get started with our video detailing the best selfie sticks on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off with the best overall selfie stick, we have the Anker Bluetooth Selfie Stick. The popular Anker Bluetooth Selfie Stick offers quite a bit of versatility, both in terms of its length and in which smartphones it'll support. It can extend 29 inches, folds up to a mere 7.5-inch stick for easy storage, and should be able to hold most smartphones big or small with its adjustable grip. The selfie stick connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and you can take a picture with the press of a button in the handle. The Anker selfie stick has a strong battery life of 20 hours, which the Gadget Vine estimates will allow an impressive 3,000 photos per charge. Some other selfie sticks claim much longer battery life, but most of those claims are greatly exaggerated. In its review, The Guardian loved the sturdy feel of the selfie stick, as it has very little wobble to it, even when fully extended to its maximum size of 29 inches. The Anker selfie stick grips your smartphone tightly, so you feel safe using it. However, this Anker stick is a little heavy, which may make it tough to hold the unit steady for long periods of time, according to Selfie Poll reviews. One Amazon buyer was pleased with the small size of the selfie stick, especially when it's folded down. Another Amazon customer appreciates the quality of Anker products and the way the selfie stick works with the iPhone. Next up, we have the best selfie stick for versatility, which goes to the Lifestyle Designs Premium Selfie Stick. The Lifestyle Designs Premium Selfie Stick is an impressively versatile and popular selfie stick. Not only can it hold many different smartphone models and digital cameras, but it also can convert from a selfie stick to a makeshift tripod when needed. The Lifestyle Design Stick will work as a tree mount, allowing you to set up odd-angle photos, according to PC Mag. All of the different attachments included with the Lifestyle Selfie Stick make this model a good value, even though it costs a little more than some other options. In its review, The Worthier Part says this selfie stick is very sturdy, both when you're using it as a selfie stick and as a tripod. One Amazon reviewer appreciates the lightweight design of the premium selfie stick, which is all the more impressive considering the different ways you can use it. A few Amazon buyers were disappointed in the inability to adjust the angle of the mount of the selfie stick far enough. Up next, we have the best affordable selfie stick, which goes to the Kungfuren Selfie Stick. Selfie sticks are not expensive pieces of gear to start with, but if you're looking for a selfie stick to test to see if you like the idea of using one, or if you want one for a child, you may want to really save some money with the Kungfuren Selfie Stick. It extends to as long as 31.8 inches and folds down to just 11 inches, so it has some nice versatility in length. The battery life with the Kungfuren Selfie Stick is impressive, according to one Amazon reviewer. It offers remote shutter, as do most selfie sticks, along with a wrist strap for added security. The Kungfuren stick doesn't support as many smartphone models as some others do, but its mount will accommodate typically sized models. One Amazon buyer says the Kungfuren selfie stick is extremely easy to use, which solidifies the idea that this model would be a good option for a child. Another Amazon reviewer likes the ease of the Bluetooth pairing between the selfie stick and the smartphone, but mentions the stick doesn't feel as sturdy as it should when fully extended. Several Amazon reviewers mentioned problems with the charging capabilities of the Kungfuren selfie stick. Next, we have the best long selfie stick, which goes to the Mighty Selfie Stick. If you're looking to do some serious photography with your smartphone, the Mighty Selfie Stick is more than capable of lending a helping hand. Really, it's the equivalent of lending about 20 helping hands, as this stick extends to a whopping 10 feet long. So whether you just want a really wide angle on your selfie, or are looking to replicate drone footage, this is the device to do it. Getting the stick to different lengths is actually surprisingly easy. In just seconds, you can go from 3 feet to 5 feet to 10 feet, all thanks to the fast-action twisting locking adjustment. Just as impressive as its end size is the selfie stick's diminutive look when fully retracted. When closed for storage, the Mighty Selfie Stick is actually just 26 inches long. While that's still significantly larger than some other selfie sticks, it's a mere 20% of the full size when extended. At the end of the stick is a secure, strong spring-action phone mount, and the Mighty is also GoPro compatible. Taking photos is a breeze, as the stick comes with a Bluetooth-enabled remote and ring holders that allow you to attach it to the stick when you're not using it. In moments when you need the Mighty to stand on its own 3 feet, the device comes with a tripod base with a 20-inch diameter for maximum stability. You could also use the tripod independently from the Mighty as a smaller tripod for just your phone. The Mighty also comes with a hand strap and an easy grip foam handle for maximum portability and comfort while in use. And for our last pick, we have the best dependable selfie stick, which goes to the Mpow Selfie Stick. The Mpow Selfie Stick is the best seller on Amazon, and that kind of customer consensus doesn't just come out of nowhere. The Mpow is a sleek, one-piece device that doesn't come with any fancy attachments, bells, or whistles, but it certainly gets the job done for you, if that job is taking a selfie. With its U-shaped phone holder design, the Mpow is extremely compact. The head of the selfie stick can be folded down to take up even less space in your bag than it would otherwise. And thanks to the silicone material on the clamp, your phone won't slip out of the mount even if you're waving the stick around in your excitement. Similarly, the handlebar's matte surface provides the right amount of friction to help the Mpow stay in your hands. Thanks to a 270-degree adjustable head, you have full latitude to adjust the angle of your shot, which is key when it comes to taking the perfect selfie. The Mpow extends to a maximum of 31.5 inches. While that's certainly not the greatest length on the list, it's still enough for most folks to get a great photo, and it's certainly enough distance to allow you to take a pretty big group shot. The phone holder is adjustable as well, capable of coming down to a height of 2.17 inches and up to 3.35 inches. That'll allow you to accommodate a wide range of smartphones. When retracted, the Mpow is just over 7 inches in length, which means it'll fit easily in your backpack or carry-on, and the stick is also supremely lightweight. Rather than depending upon a remote, the Mpow installed a camera button, which has a satisfying feedback force, so you know you've taken a snap. The stick pairs automatically with most phones, though you may have to undergo a slightly more manual process for some of the newest mobile devices on the market. So that sums up our top selfie sticks of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.